Severe storms ripping through the region today, causing widespread damage, power outages, and several tornado warnings. Our Mount Washington camera capturing the large storm rolling through this afternoon. You can even see how powerful the winds were if you take a look at the Point's fountain right now as water was being pushed toward the edge of the fountain. Good evening and thank you for joining us tonight. I'm Erica Stanish, and we have been timing and tracking these storms throughout the day as it's a KDKA First Alert Weather Day. Thousands remain without power tonight while others in the region begin cleanup. We want to get right over to KDKA First Alert meteorologist Trey Fulbright as he spent the day tracking and timing out these storms. Trey, are they finally moving out of the area?
Well, yeah, Erica, we are pretty much all done with our severe weather threat. All the watches and warnings have expired from our region. There's still a few remnant showers working their way off to the east. Most of those now from roughly Armstrong County, south in the eastern portions of Allegheny, all the way down toward Greene County, and those are going to continue to work their way off to the east as cooler air moves in. Again, this squall line of thunderstorms and a few discrete storms that formed ahead of it were responsible for our severe weather this afternoon. Numerous reports of wind damage across west central Allegheny, Butler County, Lawrence County, Beaver County coming in with numerous damage reports. We had 2 tornado reports just across the state line in Columbiana County, 2 tornado reports also in Jefferson County. Really good video around the Punxsutawney area of a tornado. Now, as we head into the evening and overnight hours, our temperatures will continue to drop as that cooler air moves in. Most spots down into the low to mid 50s under cloudy skies. We can't rule out some patchy drizzle as well. And then tomorrow we'll start out with some drizzle in the morning. Temperatures do work their way back into the upper 60s to low 70s. Coming up, we do have another first alert now for Thursday. Another system headed our way. We're going to go into more details on that severe risk in just a little bit.
And we're getting a closer look at the storms as they fired up this afternoon. We begin in Jefferson County. One woman in Punxsutawney capturing what looks like a possible tornado on camera. Check it out. You could see that little rope rotation on the ground spinning very fast and then begin to get stronger before weakening out. It is not confirmed if a tornado did touch down in that area. This video was taken at the Punxsutawney Walmart off Route 119. And check out this video of storms passing through Elizabeth. This video is from Haley Markoff, where you can see a large tree crashing down, landing in between 2 cars. Then the wind picks up and takes their outdoor furniture with it just seconds later. Wow, look at that. Strong winds tore down trees and damaged buildings in Butler County. KDKA's Ricky Sayer is live in Worth Township, where that damage extended to a barn built back in the 1860s. Ricky.
Yeah, this tree fell down directly in front of this home, but it just scratches the surface of the damage that we found as we went further onto this property. Now, our meteorologists tell us that this is a potential tornado, but that the National Weather Service would have to come here and survey to confirm that, but it is on their radar. Sun now shines through where strong winds tore the roof off this more than 150-year-old barn.
It was awful.
Jessica Hauk was inside her family's home they rent on the same property when they got a tornado warning.
Within 2 minutes, we seen the clouds rotating and sucking up, and we ran in the house and told the boys, hurry up and get in the basement. And then I seen trees flying past the window.
She could hear the wind and debris hitting their home.
The wind was loud, and then you heard things falling. Like I had a wind chime, you heard it, it was done. It was gone. You couldn't hear it no more.
By the time it was done, a farm that dates back to the 1700s was left a mess.
Oh, we had a machine shed, and the roof is completely in the pasture also. So we have sheds that are completely gone, roofs off of the barn, trees down on power lines, damage to a vehicle.
We got a lot of cleanup to do.
Greg Keppel's father-in-law owns the property, including the barn.
Been in the family forever. It's kind of old, but it's sturdy, and it blew the back of the roof right off.
Within a 20-minute drive away in Butler County, we also found a tree on top of a Clay Township home.
That's unbelievable what Mother Nature can do so quickly. Blink of an eye, I mean, it can change everything.
He promises the barn won't look like this for long.
We have neighbors, we'll rally, we'll get it fixed.
While he's keeping spirits high, the same can't be said for his father-in-law's tenants. Hauk said she's shocked and heartbroken. The reason?
And our landlord is probably one of the most kindest, nicest gentlemen, and this is his farm. And you see all the damage to his property, to his barn, and knowing that it's going to take a while for him to replace it. So it's heartbreaking. You want to do everything you can to help him.
She said she was so grateful that despite the damage, no one was hurt. Reporting in Worth Township, Butler County, Ricky Sayer, KDKA-TV News.
Ricky, thank you. And we have damage pictures coming in from Beaver County. Our Mary Hours sent these in of several trees split with a lot of debris on the ground in Beaver Falls. You could see much of the debris scattered across the grass. And the Avalon Volunteer Fire Company posting this picture of a tree down on power lines. This is on North Birmingham Road. Crews say the road will remain closed until Duquesne Light is able to make it to the scene. As a reminder, if you see down power lines, you should always assume it is live and dangerous. Power companies stress to never touch a down line and keep your distance until crews arrive on scene. In Westmoreland County, heavy rains pummeled drivers along Route 22. KDKA photojournalist Jeremy Stockdale sending us this video of just how heavy the rain was earlier this afternoon. And we've said many are still without power following these storms. Duquesne Light says over 10,000 customers in our area remain without power. West Penn Power says over 12,000 customers are in the dark. When severe weather strikes, you can stay up to date with the KDKA weather team, whether it is here on the air or on KDKA.com.